Notching will help your plant have as many shoots as possible. Look at this, we notched here. These beautiful shoots are coming out. Look at that. Notching. So when your tree is good, just growing straight without many branches, you need to exercise this notching. It will have as many branches as possible in your fruit trees. You can see I saw this one here. After a month of notching. Very healthy branches, but these ones we need to remove all these. We have to remove these because we don't want anything below the grafting area. So the notches should start 1 feet from the ground for your branching.